Hi, I'm Jasmine, and I just bought papaya, and I realized, right, a lot of people throw away the papaya seeds. Don't throw it away. You know why? Because the papaya seeds, see these little things? They are a little bit spicy. Okay, in the old days, they used these to kill intestinal worms in children's stomach. So, in the old days, right, we used to run around a lot. Around the garden, and we will pick up some little stomach worms, those intestinal worms. And so they used to get the kids to eat like 5 to 10 pieces of these little seeds, okay, and swallow it. Do it like 3 times a week, that kind of thing. All right, until it's gone. Okay, the other thing is this little nuggets replaces pepper. So what you do is you dry the thing and then you pound it into powder, all right, and then it replaces pepper. The other third thing that you can use is to break down the fibers of the meat. In other words, you tenderize the meat. So you take the powdered seeds, right, the dried powdered seeds, and then you mix it in with the meat, leave it alone for 15 minutes, rinse the meat out, and the meat fibers should be a lot softer. So give it a try, yeah?